So what time is it over there?
When we walked in, it was 9:01.
Now?
And everything that's happening in this space is 9:02. And the other thought is, we sit over here, and they're sitting there.
It's very nice.
9:03.
9:01. What was- That's like crazy. I can't believe just something parked outside. Weeping Jesus?
Yes,
Go
that's
on.
The St. Joseph Cathedral Memorial, called the Weeping Jesus, and you can't see him in the tree.
He's very sad.
But I read it, and I was like, oh shoot! Like I guess it's like an old cathedral. I guess it fell down too because of the
The shakings.
I know it's right.
Oh.
I learned that a little bit.
No, I just think, though, everyone wants to think about the decadence, mental health, etc., but literally there were wars where people were killing each other. Like, humans have never not tried to invoke power over others by killing. That's...
Well, to think back then, it was a fringe of society, and now I believe that it's almost half of the country is this nuts.
No, I really think everyone has been.
Really?
Across time and all eternity. They've always been nuts. The Roman Empire, they were crazy. What were they doing? Just slaughtering
Always a
people
thing that's all
to
over
expand. Like, why? Why do you want a bigger country? Why is that necessary? This is more to control. No, everyone's been nuts. Half the people are just nice people. The other half are crazy.
There are 4 elements that I have to receive information regarding. Everybody, let me out here. What's electricity on?
Where the wind goes sweeping down the blades. Here's some rocks, some water on them. Here, watch them all come over. There are no fish right now, as you can see, there are lots of fish here.
A turtle among fish. I mean, they're having more fun than us, I think.
Yeah, I've never been unhappy at a Mexican restaurant.
Oh my gosh, I read that on the internet.
I don't care if it's on the street.